Now, if you're a beginner and you want to build a stronger core and you just don't know where to start, then you came to the right place. In today's video, we're going to be covering a simple core routine that you can literally do anywhere, especially from home, without any equipment at all. Today, we're going to be performing 4 different exercises that are going to be building core strength. And when we go over each exercise, we're going to make sure by the end of the video that many of you also have various different options so that regardless of what fitness level you are at, you're going to find an option that works for you. Now, keep in mind with this core routine, we're going to perform 3 rounds of this with anywhere between 8 to 10 repetitions at a time. And the focus is really on the quality of each rep. So we're gonna make sure that we go nice and slow and that we're performing each exercise with proper technique and form. So I'm gonna go over each exercise first, and then we're gonna get into the workout going together. Now, the first exercise that we're gonna go over is a traditional sit-up. Now, what you're going to do is you're gonna fold your legs in front of you if you can do that, or if you need to bring your legs out in front, that's fine as well. And all you're going to do is you're going to cross your arms, you're going to lower yourself back down all the way flat on the ground, and you're going to use your core muscles to sit yourself up. If you need to bring your arms overhead to help you as you come overhead, that is okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to perform 8 repetitions at a time. If you find that doing a traditional sit-up is just too difficult for you, you can always focus on crossing the arms and working on this lean back rocking. When I lean back, I'm going to be building core strength, and I'm going to have to facilitate all the muscles on the front of my trunk in order to bring myself back upright. So that is a great alternative if the sit-up is too difficult. The next move we're going to get into is called a plank walk. So what you're going to do is you're going to be in this plank position, and all you're going to do is you're going to press yourself back up to a plank position, and then you're going to lower yourself back down. You're going to press yourself back up, and then you're going to lower yourself back down. If you find that the plank movement is just too difficult for you, the main thing you're going to focus on is working on holding a plank for about 10 seconds at a time, ensuring that your hands are stacked over your shoulders and your legs are extended behind you, keeping a nice tight core. Okay? The next movement is going to be in this same position, and we're going to get into a bird dog. This is great for the core and the lower back, and all you're going to do is you're going to extend one arm in front of you, and then that opposite leg is going to go straight behind you, trying to keep a flat back. We're going to work on 10 repetitions at a time, alternating both sides. When you complete this, if you find that the bird dog is too challenging for you, you can also decide to just go legs only, or you can also decide to just move your arms only. Both of those exercises are going to challenge your core in a different way. Now, the last movement that we're going to teach you is leg raises. So you're simply going to be sitting up in this L-sit position here. Your arms are going to be supporting your side, and all you're going to do is raise one leg up, keeping the leg straight. You're going to do about 10 reps on one side, then you're going to alternate and do 10 reps on the other. You're going to find that all of these different exercises are training various different core muscles, including your lower back, your obliques, even your hip flexors, which we know are a core muscle. And you're going to find that after 3 rounds of this, your core is going to be burning. So why don't we go ahead and get started with the first round, and we'll work on 10 sit-ups. 10 reps is the goal of what we're going for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. We're going to move on to our plank walks. One, pushing through the ground, coming back down on those elbows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. I'm already sweating as it is. We're gonna start the next exercise in the same position, and this is our bird dog, so alternating. 1. Nice and slow. Make sure you're breathing, and make sure we don't rush this. If you're moving a little slower than me, that is okay. Focus is on quality versus quantity. Good, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. We're gonna move on to those leg raises. We're finishing up this first round, okay? 1, 2, 3. Try to sit up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna feel this a lot in the quads and in the hip flexors. If you need to lean back, that's totally okay. Just try your best to keep the legs straight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, round 1 is done. We're moving to round 2. If you need to take a rest break, feel free to do so now. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to our second round of our sit-ups. Okay, dropping down. 1, 2. This time I decided to kind of bring my feet together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, moving on to our plank walks, which I find this is the hardest exercise for me personally. If you need to go to 5 or even less than that, feel free to do so, okay? Remember, you can also hold the plank if this is too difficult for you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're sweating. Very good. Moving on to our bird dog. Alternating arm and leg right behind you and in front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Moving on to those leg raises. Here we go now, slight lean back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All we have left is 1 more round and we are finished with this core routine. If you happen to be struggling and that is it for you, that is totally okay. You can stop, but we're gonna get into this last round of this core routine. 10 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, good job, 9, and 10. Okay, moving on to our plank walks. 10 reps if you have it in you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and into our bird dog. 10 reps. Nice and slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last exercise, our leg raises. If you made it this far, great job. 10 reps on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And other side, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job, guys. That was a good workout. And I don't know about you, but I definitely feel it in my core after going through 3 rounds of that. And remember, if you're just starting off, if you need to modify any of those exercises with the options I gave you, feel free to do so. And over time, you can go ahead and progress those. As well as when you're performing this, if 1 round is enough for you and challenging, that is perfectly fine. The goal is over time, you can be able to achieve 2 rounds, 3 rounds, even 4 rounds if you have it in you. Either way, if you found this video helpful, please give this video a like and a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this where I go over home workouts that you can train your legs, your upper body, or even your core, make sure to comment below on which type of video you'd like for me to make. In the meantime, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.